Welcome to Turn and Burn, your #1 channel, all things blue collar. Thank you for tuning in. If this is your first time, subscribe. But I brought Scarlett back into the shop. You've seen the other videos. This is my budget build, Chevy 2500 HD. Been doing just a few little minor things just to kind of make her look a little bit better each and every day, and try to do it on the low and not spend a lot of money. So showed you in the other videos, I had these lights. These are the original lights. Went ahead and just smoked them out. Eventually I'm going to buy some new lights, but I've been putting in LEDs because I don't like that yellow from the old looking lights. I don't like the way that looks, so I've been putting some LEDs in, and it really makes it look a lot better. But when I put the one down here for the blinker, you've all probably had that same problem. This problem right here, that blinking super fast. It's trying to tell me that there's a bulb out or there's something wrong. I'll show you what it's supposed to look like. It's not supposed to look, that does look cool, but it gets really annoying inside of the cab when you're sitting there at a light and all you hear is pop, 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 pop. Let me show you what it's supposed to look like. You probably already know, but I'm just going to show you. So that's the regular blinking pattern. It's just supposed to be just a constant little click, click, not the ta 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 ta. So I didn't know what to do. I'm kind of new to all this LED game, and I went to the local auto parts store and I found something to remedy the problem, and I'm gonna show you what I got and how simple it is to fix it. That way, if you run into the same problem, you can do the same thing. So I went to the local auto parts store and I was kind of looking around the lights. I needed some other parts, and I found this right here. It's just sitting there right by all the LED lights. I don't know why I didn't see it before. It's a load equalizer, and I put one in already, and it's super simple. And this is all it is right here. So I'm going to show you. Whoa, you didn't see that off-road use only. Do not report me, please. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started, show you how simple this is. Just a quick something that you can do at home. That's why I'm just trying to bring these little things to this truck. There's something that you can do at home, make your truck look just a little bit more sweeter. So let's dive into this, show you what we have to do, and let's get going. Always love opening that hood because you know you're gonna do something cool. All right, let's get started. So first things first, so it is this light right here that's giving me the hassle. None of the other lights are giving me any problems. You need to take this top one off. Luckily, in this year Chevy, it's simple. You pull that out, which I'm sure you already know, and we'll pull this light out so we can get to the one that we need to get to. We'll go ahead and pull this all the way out. Remove these back here, just twist them. We'll pull this light all the way out and we can get to this one. So I got the light that we need to put that on. I pulled it out. This is the style I went with, just what you can get at your local auto parts store. And the instructions are super simple. We're going to hook one side to this wire, one side to the other wire. Do not hook to the middle wire. And then they give you these cool little clips right here. So you just drop your wires inside of here, and you're going to fold it over and crimp them down. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You're going to do it on this side and this side, and you're going to do it, as you can see, it has wires. So one wire here and one wire here. So let's get those clipped in there. All right, so I'll do one at a time. See right here, you're gonna take your piece right here, lay this wire down inside there, the other wire in there. Pretty simple. Clamp it down. All right, let's give you a close-up. You can see it's connected through here, both wires, into the outside wire. Same thing on the other side to the outside wire. So you're completing that loop right there. And that should be it. Let's give it a test before we put everything back together. Oh, there we go. Sounds like we got it. Everything is blinking the way it should. This is gonna be so much better sitting at the light, not having to hear that blinker just going crazy. Another quick and easy little job complete. So with that, I'm gonna wrap up the video. Super simple video, something simple that you can do at home if you're having any issues like that. Maybe I just don't know. I'm not in the LED light scene. I'm just kind of getting into it. And I did not know that I need to do that, but now I know, and I made a quick and easy fix. Well, I'm gonna jump on in the truck. I'm not gonna drag up, but I'm gonna roll on up out of here. I'm gonna go have some fun. I'm gonna go drive around. Maybe I'll find some mud and get stuck. Wait, it's not even raining here. All right, adios.